Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 140 Laravel 11 view all product to cart example. This is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PHP. My admin inside this real estate underscore Lara underscore 11. This is my database name. Inside this is a list of table is available. In this table is a use product cart. This product is a use. This my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc directory in this project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's this directory inside this means cmd open means command prompt open. Successfully working fine. This command prompt this project directory. Let's php artisan server. php artisan server. This is a command is a write down this folder inside the successfully working. This URL is a copy and this paste here. Successfully working fine, and this route inside this web.php open, and this is a route inside this web. This is a available product card. This product card slash product card successfully this is available. And this is this shop for product is available inside this for product is a implement. This please check this previous video 139. Click this view all. Inside this is a not available. Let's step by step. This is a for item is a implementation inside this show, and this is a implementation. Let's this project folder is available. This is a first of all this button is a implement this button. Let's check this cart file. Route web.php open, and this is a product inside this is a cart, and this is a layout inside this is available inside this is a view all. This is a view all. This button is available. This is a view all. This is a cart, same here cart, and this is a cart file is available, and this is the same name. Click this view all, and this is a only not a static. This is a number is a 9999 save file, and refresh this page. Successfully this is a 999 is available. This is a good working. Let's refresh this page, and please check this previous video, otherwise you are lost of doubt your mind. This is a cart file, and this is a already implementation. Please check this previous video, otherwise not clear. Let's step by step inside this is a implementation. This product in the controller is a product cart, and this is available this function. This is a previous video is all write down. Let's implementation inside this step by step. This is ID. This is a product. Let's PHP is a start. T body in this PHP successfully start. Good working this T body, and this session is a start cart session. This tr inside this is a close. This tr inside this close end session successfully this is a close. In this PHP start and end, and this session is a if condition is a implement start, and inside this is a end, and this again this forest loop is a start. This is a cart detail. And forest loop is start, and successfully end a forest successfully save file. Let's refresh this page. For item is available this cart. Let's refresh this page, and this is a for successfully for is available. This is a cart is a for item is available. Click this view cart, and this is a for item is a show. Good working means for product is a show. Good. Let's this is step by step dynamic implementation. This is a please check this previous video all implementation already. This is same name is a copy. This is my folder path. This is a remove, and this is the implementation save file. Let's refresh this page, and this is available different images the implementation. This image height means 100. Let's 100 save and refresh this page. Successfully this is the image is a set. Good working. This is a dynamic. Let's step by step. Name is a dynamic. This is a static name is available, and this check this previous video, otherwise lost of doubt your mind, not a clear. This is a name is a set, less price is a implementation. This is a quantity is a implementation value inside this number, inside this value, inside this quantity implementation. And this is a price is a set, price into quantity is a implementation, tr, and this is a implementation. Please write down all implementation, please write down. And this is a quantity inside this forest slope is a implementation. All good implementation. Let's refresh this page. Successfully available. This is a all dynamic is a set. This is a mi, this is a mi, this is a image is available. This image 78, price is available 78. This subtotal is a 17. This is a plus is this is a not working. This is a update quantities. This is a next video. And this any doubt your mind to place contact, we are here to help 24/7 anytime. Contact WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype is always available. This contact form please use. This is a contact form inside this number, and this is all implementation. This is a good, and this my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. This is all available. Let's next is a total is a implementation. This is all good. This subtotal is a implementation. This is a total, only total is this is a count, and this is a variable inside this is already create, and this is a total. Successfully total is a implementation. Let's refresh this page, and this is a total is a successfully implementation. This is a total. Like same name is a copy product cart, same copy, and this new private window is open this private window and paste here, and this is a not available 0 cart value. This let's select this is a add to cart, and one number is a create. This is a add one cart is a implementation. This is a 80, and this view cart successfully this is a only one, and this is a total is a 80. Good working. Let's continue other swapping, and this again this click this add to cart, and this is a add cart is a 2 item is available. This is a 2 number item is a set. This is a good. Let's view all. Successfully this is a 5158. This is a sum is a successfully set, and this is a inside this sum is a set. Good working. Let's again this back button click this, and this is a add to cart. Successfully 3 number is available this cart, and this sum is a set, in this view all. This is a good working. This is a 4 record is available, and this is a database. This is a all dynamic is a implementation, and this is a implementation admin login. Let's admin login, admin @gmail.com, password is a 123456789, and click this login and not now. Not now. Successfully this is a product cart. Inside this is a implementation. This is a inside this is a dynamic is a all set. This is add, inside update, delete, and this is a product is a inside this implement, and inside this is a show. Good working. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.